So it's day 3, trying to get these nails done, got the thumbs done, got the ring fingers done. Now it's time for the other 3 fingers, and I think we're going to go with this pink color called Tulips, and then we're going to put some chrome on there. And okay, so this is definitely not like full coverage with one coat, but it's all I need to have a base for the chrome. The next step is going to be to put down a layer of OutShine. This is the best stuff in the world for chrome to stick to. So I'm going to put chrome on. I'm going to put this OutShine on here, these 3 nails. This is super thick, so I'm going to put it on, brush it off so that I've got just a super thin coat on there, and then I'm going to cure it for only 15 seconds. Okay, so I've got this layer of OutShine on there. Now I need to cure this for exactly 15 seconds. All right. We just need to put the metallic glaze to seal in the chrome, otherwise I'll be chipping in a few days. So let's get the metallic glaze on, cure it for 60 seconds, and then top coat. Let me close this before I spill it. All right, so we got the metallic glaze on. Now it's time to do the top coat, and here it is. We're going to put Ladybug luster on those 3, just like we did all the other ones. Let's turn it over. And let's cure. All right, now it's time to clean up. So let's get some alcohol. Kind of clean up these nails. Get all the powder that's anywhere it's not supposed to be. Those are so pretty. I love them. I love that thumbnail that goes with it. There's what we did. Oh, still have a lot of chrome. Okay. I got a lot to work on. Still have chrome there. All right, y'all. Well, you know the deal. I'm going to get this chrome off. You guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe. We need your help. Okay? Thanks a lot. Have a great day.